Alright guys, so you have your two parts of the poster here. The left hand side of the Pacific Ocean Basin and the right hand side of the Pacific Ocean Basin. And there are two words in here right along this middle point where they're meeting where we are going to attach them. We are going to begin by just taking some real old tape and putting a small piece up here out of the way and down here at the bottom out of the way. We'll then flip this over and we'll use a piece of packaging tape to put a whole seam along the back of the poster because you can't color over that packaging tape, so we want as little tape as possible on the front. So we're just going to kind of get it in place here. Our first marker, and I will tell you, we may not line up. Okay, when I have this together correctly, these two pages might not line up, and that's okay. We want this Pacific Ocean Basin to be able to line up. So first, and some people like to trim off this little white edge on one of the pieces of paper. That's fine, you can do it if you want. It's not a big deal if you don't. But the R in the word Aleutian Trench. Okay, you see Alaska's right here, right down from the middle. The R in trench you want to line up. Then you want to go down here, and it's the U in Southwest Pacific, right here, right at the bottom. The U in Southwest Pacific. So once those are lined up, you'll put a piece of tape on it, and then we'll be able to flip it over. Okay, again, I want some tape right up here out of the way, right down here out of the way. Alright, we'll then be able to flip this map over, and we can then go ahead and put some packaging tape on the back. Okay, if you have questions on how to do this, let me know. I want to make sure you get started on the right foot. So I want to get this done fairly quickly. This usually only takes 5 or so minutes to get going so that you can head off on that project.